The Lovebirds Without Cringe, Part 3 and Part 4.
See the freaking manager. Chloe and Chris, the freaking evil Squirtle. Random cut.
Honey, it's been a long walk. Idiots, I'll take her for once and for all. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah. Hours later. Oh, hi. What's it wrong? Stop it! It was easy. Remember me? That homeless guy from the Walmart station? Yeah. You stupid idiot! That means you're the guy that's the manager that I beat up in the dumpster? You stupid maniac!
Yes, you did.
First of all, how did you get here? Second of all, I thought you were in the hospital. Third of all, I thought you were dead. Fourth of all, I thought you were dead. I'm alive, stupid! Ha 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 ha! Ow. Episode 4, Part 2. Lemon squeezy! Lemon squeeze! Ow, that didn't even hurt. I'm alive! I'm alive! Oh, I kicked you 2 times. You should be dead. You should be dead. You definitely should be dead. I should have killed you 3 years ago. 3 years? I never met you before. Shut up! I will destroy you once and for all.
That.
Die, 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 die. You better leave this video until you die. And everybody clap. You better clap or I'm going to your house and gonna kill you, right? Right. Bonus. I will kill.